Need to hide a photo on your iPhone without downloading any sketchy apps? Good news! Your iPhone already has a secret folder built right in, and it's protected by Face ID too. Let me show you how to use it. Start by opening the Photos app from your home screen. Find the photo you want to keep private. Maybe it's a screenshot, a document, or something just for you. Once you've selected it, tap the More Options icon. That's the three dots at the top right corner. In the menu that pops up, choose Hide. Then confirm your choice by tapping Hide Photo again. And just like that, the photo disappears from your main library. But don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. It's now tucked away in a secure folder called Hidden, which you can access anytime. To view your hidden photos, stay in the Photos app and scroll all the way down to the Utilities section. Tap on Hidden, then tap View Album. You'll be asked to unlock it with Face ID or your passcode. Once you're in, you'll see all your hidden images safely stored in one place. Now let's say you want to make one of those photos visible again. Just tap and hold the photo you want to unhide. Then from the options that appear, tap Unhide. That photo will immediately return to your main photo library, exactly where it was before. It's that easy. So whether you're hiding personal memories or just cleaning up your photo feed, this hidden folder gives you peace of mind without needing any third-party apps. If this video helped you keep your private photos safe or helped you find them again, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want more iOS 26 tips and iPhone tricks just like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.